Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 9th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is from Ras Al Khaimah Airport for the following position of Fire Sub Officer. Male candidate with an experience of 3 years can apply for this position. Must have done a minimum of high school. Candidate must be fluent in English. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Silver Falcons Delivery Services LLC in Dubai for the following position of temporary light vehicle driver. Male candidate with an experience of 3 years in UAE can apply for this position. The candidate must have a valid UAE driving license. Must have a good knowledge of Dubai roads and RTA rules. The working days is from Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Salary package is from 75 to 85 AED per day. You can WhatsApp in the below provided number. The next vacancy is from Velati Smart Parking Services LLC in Dubai for the following position of outdoor traffic marshal. Working hours is 12 hours a day. The candidate should work outdoors in the sun. Salary package is from 120 AED per day. You can WhatsApp in the below provided number. The next vacancy is for the position of office boy from Uniclean in Ajman. The salary package is from 80,500 per month. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of mechanical engineer in Dubai with an experience in all medical trades. The candidate must be available in UAE on their own visa. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from YMH Group of Companies in Abu Dhabi for the following position of salesman, cashiers, bakery kitchen staff and butchers. Salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below number. The next vacancy is from HHS Corporate Services in Dubai for the following position of office boy and chef. The candidate should have a basic English skills. Salary package is from 82,000 per month. You can contact in the below provided number. The next vacancy is for the position of executive housekeeper from Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. Must have a minimum 3 years of housekeeping experience as an executive housekeeper in a hotel or resort. The candidate must have done diploma or any university degree. Salary package is as per the industry standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from Crown Plaza Hotel in Dubai for the following position of housekeeping coordinator with an experience of 2 years, hygiene specialist with an experience of 2 to 3 years, bellboy with an experience of 2 years, Thai chef with an experience of 3 to 5 years, bell captain and chief engineer with an experience of 2 years, duty and night manager with an experience of 2 to 4 years, housekeeping attendant and food and beverage assistant with an experience of 1 to 2 years. The salary package is unspecified. You can apply directly from the below provided company website. The next vacancy is from Dubai Facilities Management LLC for the following position of HVAC technician, AC technician, electrician, MEP technician and supervisor. Candidate with a minimum 5 years of experience in GCC can apply for this position. Must have done ITI, diploma or BE mechanics. The salary package is up to the industry standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email IDs. The next vacancy is from Gulf Healthcare International in Dubai for the position of data entry operator. Freshers may apply for this position. Should have a basic software knowledge. The salary package is from 82,000 per month plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Pearl Hotel and Spa in Umm Al Quwain for the following positions of housekeeping attendants, waiters and waitress and continental kitchen demi chef de party. The salary package is as per the industry standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The last vacancy is for the position of receptionist from Align. Freshers or those who have an experience of 1 year in the same field can apply for this position. Salary package is from 82,500 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.